Hello, my name is Simon Benson and I'm the Programme Leader for the Unity Centre of Excellence here at Skills City. The Unity in Industry course is the first of its kind. It involves many different factors, but primarily you'll be gaining skills, technical skills, to actually use Unity really well within your organisation. Over the 13-week bootcamp, you'll earn skills that will allow you to progress in your career. For example, within the Unity toolset, you'll learn how to make user interfaces, which are an essential part of interaction. You'll learn how to integrate assets so that you can bring in the elements that are relevant to you in terms of your work. You'll learn how to add code and programming aspects, and all of this will then enable you phenomenally to do all sorts of things in this real-time domain. The structure of the bootcamp is that it's a part-time study programme that allows you to work at the same time as performing this activity. So therefore you can get a nice balance of still progressing activities that you're on whilst gaining these new skills. It's part funded by the Department for Education, 70%, meaning that from an employment perspective, only 30% of that remaining fund is required. The skills in real time and interaction are growing phenomenally. The demand is immense. These skills are essential for the future, and this bootcamp allows you to gain skills in this area to make sure you can start progressing your career down this path, embracing these new technologies and arming yourself with these future-facing abilities.